What's up, guys? Dr. Hansen here with Grind Over at PT. Welcome to your daily body armor with Tank. Today, we're going to be talking about the front rack and how you can better keep your elbows up so that you can move more weight. You can take the pain away from your wrists and your elbows, and you can PR that front time because you're no longer fighting your ability to keep those elbows up. So I want you guys to grab a dumbbell, moderate load. Okay, you're going to kneel beside a bench. You're going to hold that dumbbell in your hand. And you're going to drop that dumbbell down to the back slowly as you try and look up at the ceiling. And feel this through the back, through the triceps. Then you're here, you're going to feel the lats. Try and get those elbows nice and tight. Extend back. Come out of there. Okay, guys, work through there about 1 to 2 minutes or for about 15 reps. Really try and breathe and try and curl yourself around that dumbbell at the end. Remember, guys, work on that T-spine. We need that to move well to get those elbows up. We need the lats moving well. We need the triceps moving well. Ultimately, it's going to take a lot of pressure off your body and help you move a lot more weight and move a lot faster during the metcons. So, guys, take that, run with it. This is your daily body armor with Tank, and this is Dr. Tank at Grind Over at PT, and I'll see you next time.